There are two ways the Guru gives knowledge, wisdom to the disciple. One is by Vani, by speech, either his speech or his speech coming in the form of books. Guru may write books, or Guru may give shiksha. This is one way in which the teacher gives wisdom to the disciple. But there's another way. The general way is this: Guru is speaking. Oh, Guruji is speaking today. Oh, what's he speaking about? Oh, he's speaking about dhyan, or speaking about chakras, or whatever. He's speaking about rasas, speaking about nam tattva, or dham tattva. Acha. So generally, there's teaching conveyed by Guru's writing books, or he's speaking. Pravachan, lectures. Speaking Bhagavatam, Gita Pat, Bhagavat Pat, lectures. But there's another way Guru gives knowledge and wisdom to the disciple, and that is through silence. Maun. M-A-U-N. Maun. Not speaking. Disciple, Shishya, may have questions. He may be speaking the questions outwardly. Oh, any questions? Yes, Guruji, I have this question. And ask the question. And Guru speaks the Vani, Guru Vani, Guru Vacha. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya, Chite Te Kori Aikya. Nartan Das Thakur Mahashaya, in the Guru Vandanam, he says, Guru Mukha Padma, Guru Mukha Padma Vakya. Vakya means Vak. Vak means Saraswati. Vak means speech. Vakisha. Vak Devi, Vagisha. Names for Saraswati. Speech. Guru Vani. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya, Chite Te Koriya Aikya. My chitta, I want to become Aikya, one with the words of my Guru. One with the words of my Guru, one with the instructions of my Guru. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya, Chite Te Koriya Aikya. Aikya means egg. Egg do tin. This is Sad Shishya. Sad Guru, Sad Shishya. This is one way Guru's teaching and giving wisdom. Other way is by the Maun. Disciple has questions in the mind, comes before the Guru just sits. You have any questions? All right. Ask your questions, but don't speak them. Then the Guru sits. For 5 minutes, for 1 hour, for 2 hours. No speech. And then, after 1 or 2 hours, the 10 shishya, they say, the Guru says, you had questions? Yes, Gurudev. Are your questions answered? Yes, Gurudev. Then the second one. You had questions? No, Gurudev, I had no questions. But I received a nice message from you. That's the third one. Did you have any questions? I didn't have questions. I came with my husband. I'm not initiated. He's your disciple. I'm his wife. But I feel something coming inside of me, very nice thing. And the fourth one. You have questions? I had 10 questions. And I had so many questions, I had them written down because I couldn't remember them all. I wrote them on a piece of paper before I came to see you. They're in my pocket. Here's my questions. You answered all of them. This is Guru Shakti. This is Guru Prabhav, the influence of Guru. There was one great saint who left this world not so long ago, within this century, maybe some years ago. Ramana Maharishi. Ramana Maharshi. Something like this. Ramana Maharshi from South India. He had thousands of disciples, all kinds of mystic power. Didn't speak. Sometimes small.